Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Steve in New Jersey. Steven.
Hi, Mr. Cramer. Thank you very much for taking my call.
You're quite welcome.
What should I do with Discover Financial Services?
I actually prefer Square to it. I prefer PayPal to it. Both of them are better, even though both are coming down. How about Craig in Texas? Craig.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Okay, I've got a decent profit in Lockheed Martin. Should I buy more, sell it, or hold it?
It's Jim Taiclet's coming in there. And James Taiclet made us so much money in American Tower. I am not kidding. Don't you touch that stock other than to buy it. Let's go to David in Texas. David.
Jimmy, how are you, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing pretty good. You and I are about the same age. We've seen well over 100 Cowboy-Eagle games. I want to extend a Norm Snead to Ben Hawkins booyah.
Well, I guess. I saw the Cowboys play the Eagles at Franklin Field in '64. You had Bob Hayes. He caught a pass. He's still running. What's going on?
Still running. Jimmy, I'm a first-time caller. Long-time fan, read all your books, watched your
Thank
show,
you.
Actions Alert member.
Oh, fantastic.
I do want to say thank you to you and your staff for everything you do.
Staff is fabulous. Thank you.
Jimmy, I do have a question. I have recently added Colgate to my barbell portfolio.
Right, as we own
and I'm
that.
I'm looking for something to add to the other end of that barbell, and I want your opinion on Union Pacific.
I have thought long and hard about Union, but you've been reading my mind. I think Union Pacific should be on the other side of the barbell. It's a great stock. We had them on. So many good things happening there. Leg into that stock, sir. I think you do well, and thank you for the incredibly kind comments. Let's go to Jeff in my daughter's old home state of Oregon. Jeff.
Hey, Jim, I want to give a booyah shout-out to Wall Street Bets. How are you today, my man?
I am good. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic. I wanted to talk to you about Gap. What do you think is going to happen with Gap?
Well, Kanye, that was a big sign-up for them, and I think people are going to go back and take a look at it, and maybe it goes to 15, but not beyond that. Why? Because it's in too many malls. I saw that Simon Properties declared its dividend. Of course, had to trim it a little bit, but they still declared it. I'm not a big – the stock went up 10 on that. I'm not a big mall guy. What can I say? Let's go to John in New York. John.
Jimbo, John from Shaolin, screaming a big time, a booyah!
Now you're talking. I like that. Spirited. What's happening?
Jimbo, my man, I'm a first-time caller, and I just want to say I love the show and the energy that you bring to us every single day.
I sure try, man. I'm aching today. I had too good time.
Got to be in it to win it, Jimbo. Listen, I've held this stock since the market's March lows, and after watching the CEO on your show, have felt even more confident this company could be one of the first that develop a vaccine. Last week, the stock went on an absolute tear after the Department of Defense purchased 900 smart devices for the U.S. military, totaling $16.5 million, as well as giving another $71 million to help scale the manufacturing of the device. This week, the company should be announcing their results from the Phase 1 human trials. The name of the company is Inovio Pharmaceuticals.
Inovio, they're down the block from where I grew up. They're from Plymouth Meeting. That's how I know them. All right, all those things are very true. But, you know, you do with a biotech or a high-risk spec before they do announce anything, you ka-ching the money you put in. I want you playing with the house's money, hoss. That's what you're going to do. And you're going to promise me you're going to do that tomorrow. Tim in Michigan. Tim.
Hey, Jim. I know you're just trying to make me some money, but I consider you a friend.
I like that. Thank you, man.
Before you were tossing chairs.
And
my grocer pays a dividend, has no debt, doesn't have really phenomenal growth, not .com-ish growth. I'm wondering, is Weiss Market a value or a value trap?
I think it's a value play. My wife's on the board at Bucknell. We go to Weiss Market when she goes out there. It's very nice. I think it's good. I think you got a good one there. It's not going to shoot the lights out, but it's good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round. is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.